Hello everyone. Today we're going to go over Power Apps views, how you can make the view editable instead of having to go to the form. So to show that, if I click here, you see I can't edit anything. If I click into it, it opens up the form. Whereas this view I can add right in here. So I can change this name to Jill. I can edit this phone number here. Um, Switch this on and off. I can edit anything, okay? And then when I click off it, you see it saved because you get that check mark, okay? So that's what we're going to learn how to do in this video. So first, you want to go to your solutions, head over to the settings, then go to advanced settings. Now within here, you want to click on settings here, customization, customize the system, and it's going to bring up another window. When this window opens up, I'm going to just maximize it. Under entities, you can open that up and you'll see all your tables are your entities. Okay, so we're going to find the one that you're looking for. And so for this example, I think we are under account. Now under account, you can go to control and you see it says read only grid. You want to hit add control and you want to search for Power Apps Grid Control right here and hit add. Now once you add that, you want to select all the different views as the displays where there's web phone or tablet, which ones you want to be editable in. Then after you select those, scroll down over here. If you want to add a lookup column, you can. But then you want to go to enable editing and switch this to yes. Now, once you're okay, hit okay. You can save it. You can go through these to see which ones you want to turn on and turn off. But after you have that set, you want to hit save. Now go to publish. And I don't like to cut or do too much editing to my video so you can see exactly how long this process takes. Okay, so now we can exit out of here, exit out of here. Now let's rerun our app. So this is still editable, but if we go to our accounts, now let's see. Now we can edit this phone here. I don't have any lookups, but yeah, so that's how you will make your view editable. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.